Okay, it's Tuesday, May 17th. Just wanted to follow up on Goldman Sachs. It's moved up nicely from entry here at 310.95 all the way back up to the 313 area. And this was the initial target. This after this buy here on the 15-minute chart, you were expecting at least this high to be taken out 312.35. We've gotten all the way up to close to 313, kind of the initial entry price that I bought it. What I did here early on in the day, as discussed in the previous video, bought here a little prematurely. It didn't really get the breakout on the third bar. Thought it was developing, so I got out at a small loss kind of here at the midway point of this green bar. Then I decided to watch it. Once it came down and made a new intraday low, at that point I wasn't really ready to buy it again, wasn't sure what this day would bring. But then as it came up here and then just broadened out a little lower, and we had the 2 down, 2 up. This was really the ideal price action buy on the day, to buy it here and then look for a move back up, at least to test these intraday highs and see if we break through by the end of the day. Again, the big picture, it's getting ready on the weekly chart. It's an inside bar, but if we can just take out these intraday highs, then we get the weekly 2 up, and that projects towards the previous week's high near the 324 area. That's kind of the whole thing I was anticipating here, getting ready to get a 2 up on the week. On the daily chart, you have the the buy action. This is a 2 down, 2 up buy. So we had a good opening price action today on the daily chart, which is getting ready to trigger the weekly chart. And if that gets triggered, then we project up to those other weekly highs. So there's a lot of good price action here on the day. But in terms of how it unfolded, the best buy is really it just didn't develop here on this 15-minute bar. You know, it had the nice gap up, but then it really didn't pause and continue. It kind of just decided to pull back a little bit. And given this price action, to me, this was the best buy of the day here. So it ends up a kind of a break-even day for me overall. Took a small loss here, but then took a gain here. And, you know, now I could see, we'll just see how it wants to close on the day. But Goldman Sachs looks, you know, interesting for upside action in the days and weeks ahead.